Hi everybody, Dr. Gage Kirstein here. I wanted to just take a couple minutes to talk about the DOT physicals we do here at Kirstein Chiropractic. So when you come in for your appointment for your physical, you'll be greeted by our front desk staff who will ask you for your photo ID as well as a form of payment. They'll then give you some medical forms to fill out, just asking about questions about your medical history. So when these are completed, I'll come get you and bring you back into the exam room where we'll talk about the forms that you filled out, and I'll ask you some questions about any relevant history. Now, it's important that you bring any relevant medical studies. For example, if you're diabetic, bring some copies of your glucose logs. If you have heart problems, bring any copies of any prior EKG studies. If you're on any prescription medications that may interfere with your driving, bring a doctor's note stating that it's safe to drive. Now, once we're done with the history, we'll go into the physical exam where I'll check things like your height, your weight, your blood pressure, your vision, and your hearing. To finish the physical, we'll need to run through what's called urinalysis, which checks for things like blood, sugar, and protein in the urine. So it's important that you don't use the bathroom and you drink lots of fluids prior to your visit. Now, please note this is not a drug test, so we don't do that at this office. If your employer does require drug testing, we can refer you to another location that does perform that. So that pretty much wraps up the physical. Once that's complete, I'll look over all the information that we've gathered and I'll talk it over with you, and I'll inform you if you meet the FMCSA standards to drive a commercial motor vehicle. So when all that's done, we'll have you sign a few more forms. I'll sign off on your medical card and you'll be pretty much good to go at that point. So that about wraps it up. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact our office. We'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. And if you're looking to get a DOT physical, we do offer same day appointments, so we should be able to get you in and out pretty quickly.